Hey guys, we're back.
Hey, it's Jamie and Paige here from DeerBunny Farm. We are going to add to...
Our fall line has been pushed back about a month due to COVID. Usually we launch all of these soaps on September 1st, but this year they will be available on October 1st. And today we're adding one of our favorite soaps to it.
This is going to be Cranberry Chutney. I absolutely love this one every year. It's a perfect fruity orange cranberry spice blend to kick off the fall season.
Let's get into it.
Yay! Okay, that's good. Okay, I've already got my milk in here with my oils. So we're gonna start stick blending and add our lye. For this one, the fragrance that we use actually makes it kind of orangish color anyways. And since this is a cranberry and orange blend, I like that. So we're just gonna add a little in here, which we have a really pretty burgundy in this that we're gonna color. And then I am going to hand stir in our fragrance because this one does tend to speed things up a bit. Okay, we are going to put in our fragrance. You can actually kind of see it's already turning it a little orangey. Orangey. Oh. Sorry, that was loud. Is that in frame?
Yeah, perfect.
Did you hear that, guys? She said I was perfect.
No, I said the frame was perfect. No, it's like glossier than that. It's not as creamy. It's like a
Glossier.
I'm trying to think. It's almost like apple butter. You know? Like it's more of a, it's like a jam butter consistency.
Okay, I am going to put some glitter on there, but I gotta go liquefy them so I can drop it. Drop it nice, huh? Oh my word.
What is that?
It's a fly.
We'll get it.
There's a fly in my soap. It's so not fly. Get it? Fly like a J6.
I get it. It just wasn't worth the breath to acknowledge it.
Everybody watch out.
Gloves are off.
Because I want to put these little embeds in the top, and they require some precision because they're so tiny, like ridiculously tiny. my glitter on the soap and all over me. And we're going to go stick this in the fridge. What do you think? It's pretty?
Yeah. See that?
There it comes.
It's done!
Okay, you gonna help me?
Yeah.
Push.
Yeah.
Watch your finger.
I did that. I did that.
This is cranberry chutney. Faster! Oh, get your hands. Get your hands.
I did it fast.
Get it faster. Great. Are you ready to cut these?
Yeah.
You're gonna help?
Yeah.
Okay, not yet.
Right.
So we can move it so they can see. Okay,
Now.
let's see if it lines up. Looks pretty good. All right, Levi. Soaps don't need eyes.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, check out our Facebook, our Instagram, our website at DeerBunnyFarm.com, and like and subscribe.